Baking soda is a familiar sight in the kitchen pantry. But did you know it's a superstar with a secret life? Forget boring old cleaning tasks. Baking soda boasts a hidden arsenal of superpowers. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a simple white powder commonly found in kitchen cabinets and has long been recognized for its role in baking and cleaning. But did you know that this humble household staple also offers a variety of health benefits? From calming acid reflux to improving oral health, baking soda is more than just an ingredient for cakes and pastries. It is a powerful natural remedy with numerous uses. Today's video is focused on 10 distinct health benefits of baking soda. You will get to know how this everyday powder may contribute to your well-being in unexpected ways. However, we also want to tell you that using baking soda is not totally risk-free. To know further, stay tuned till the end. Let's watch and find out its hidden potential. Number 1. Tames the flames. If you are struggling with heartburn, baking soda acts like a tiny firefighter, neutralizing excess stomach acid for quick relief. Has become a popular home remedy for heartburn, that burning feeling caused by stomach acid splashing up into your esophagus. Baking soda's alkaline nature acts like a tiny firefighter, neutralizing excess acid and bringing down its level in your stomach. This provides quick relief from the burning discomfort, similar to many over-the-counter antacids. While baking soda might work faster, its effects only last 1-2 hours, so it's a temporary solution. Number 2. Sugar smackdown. Feeling those afternoon sugar cravings? Early research suggests that baking soda could help regulate blood sugar, keeping those cravings at bay. Although the research is ongoing, some theories suggest baking soda might play a role in blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest baking soda improves insulin sensitivity. Insulin helps your body shuttle glucose, sugar, from the bloodstream into cells, where it's used for energy. Improved insulin sensitivity could potentially lead to steadier blood sugar levels, reducing those intense sugar cravings triggered by dips. Baking soda, which is a source of sodium bicarbonate, breaks down into sodium and bicarbonate ions. Bicarbonate has been linked to improved blood sugar control in some studies, although more research is needed to solidify this connection. Number 3. Teeth whitening. Want a brighter smile? Baking soda's gentle abrasiveness might help remove surface stains, leaving your pearly whites gleaming. Brushing with baking soda can be a natural way to whiten your smile. Its gentle abrasiveness acts like tiny scrubbing bubbles, buffing away surface stains from coffee, tea, or wine. This can leave your teeth looking brighter and your smile more radiant. Just remember to be gentle, as baking soda is mild, but not a replacement for regular brushing with toothpaste. Number 4. Kidney alley. For people with chronic kidney disease, baking soda, under doctor supervision, can be a valuable tool to manage acidosis and potentially slow disease progression. As per research findings, baking soda is helpful for people with kidney disease. In addition, you may use baking soda as a supplement for some chronic kidney conditions and metabolic acidosis. This condition creates a disbalance between alkali and acid balance. Oral supplementation of sodium bicarbonate may make the blood less acidic. Therefore, it may be right to conclude that baking soda slows down the progression of kidney disease under the supervision of a health professional. However, one cannot use baking soda as a preventive measure to combat kidney ailments. Baking soda can be a valuable tool for managing metabolic acidosis in some CKD patients, but it should only be used under the guidance of a doctor. They can assess your individual needs and determine if baking soda is a safe and effective option for you. If you have kidney disease, it's crucial to work closely with your doctor to develop a comprehensive treatment plan. Number 5. Banishes kitchen odors. Baking soda has always been a kitchen odor ninja. Many unpleasant kitchen odors come from acidic compounds, like those wafting off burnt toast or spoiled milk. Baking soda, on the other hand, is alkaline. When these two meet, a chemical reaction occurs, essentially neutralizing the acid and transforming it into a different molecule with little to no odor. Baking soda has a porous structure, meaning it has lots of tiny holes. These holes act like odor jails, trapping odor-causing molecules within the baking soda itself. This prevents them from spreading through your kitchen and assaulting your nose. While baking soda is a fantastic odor absorber, it doesn't eliminate the source of the smell. If you're dealing with persistent odors, it's important to clean the area thoroughly to prevent them from returning. Number 6. Cleaning champion. From grimy stovetops to greasy ovens. Baking soda cuts through grease like a charm. Forget expensive cleaning products. A box of baking soda is your upper hand for a sparkling home. This versatile hero tackles a variety of cleaning tasks. Its slightly gritty texture acts like a gentle scrub, perfect for removing light stains, grime, and stuck-on food without harming delicate surfaces. But baking soda's power goes beyond scrubbing. Studies show it neutralizes unpleasant kitchen odors, especially those lingering after burnt messes or spoiled food. Here's the science. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment that traps and eliminates odor-causing molecules. The good news doesn't stop there. Baking soda can even break down grease and oil, making it a fantastic choice for cleaning greasy stovetops, oven spills, and even deep-frying pans. All this cleaning power from a single affordable box. While baking soda is a fantastic natural cleaner, it's always best to test it on an inconspicuous area first, especially on delicate surfaces. For everyday kitchen cleaning tasks, baking soda is a safe, effective, and affordable option. Number 7. Baking bonanza. Move over. Cleaning the aisle. Baking soda's true talent lies in the kitchen. Unlike its close cousin, baking powder, baking soda needs an acidic teammate to activate its rising power. Here's the science. When baking soda meets an acidic ingredient like buttermilk, yogurt, or even cocoa powder, a bubbly reaction occurs. This creates tiny pockets of carbon dioxide gas that get trapped in your batter. As the batter heats up in the oven, these gas bubbles expand, causing your baked goods to magically rise. The result is light and fluffy cakes, cookies, and bread that will have you looking like a baking pro. Number 8. Eases the pain of canker sores. While research is ongoing, baking soda might offer temporary comfort for canker sores. This is because canker sores create a slightly acidic environment, and baking soda, being alkaline, may help neutralize this acidity. This neutralization could potentially reduce irritation and pain associated with the sore. Additionally, some studies suggest a baking soda rinse might have a mild numbing effect and soothe the canker sore itself. There's also limited research indicating weak antiseptic properties in baking soda, which could potentially help reduce bacterial growth around the sore and promote faster healing. Number 9. Treats insect bites. Insect bites can cause a localized acidic reaction in the skin. Baking soda's alkaline nature might help neutralize this acidity, potentially reducing some of the irritation. Baking soda has mild anti-inflammatory properties. When applied as a paste, mixed with water, it can help reduce itching associated with insect bites. Baking soda is a home remedy, and its effectiveness can vary. It's always best to consult a doctor if you have any concerns about an insect bite or sting. Number 10. Hair cleaner. Baking soda has become a surprising contender in the hair care world, acting as a natural alternative to shampoo. Healthy hair thrives in a slightly acidic environment. While shampoos often contain detergents that can strip away natural oils and disrupt this balance, baking soda offers a milder approach. It has a slightly alkaline, opposite of acidic, nature. When used correctly, it can help neutralize product buildup and excess oil, potentially bringing your scalp closer to its ideal pH level. Baking soda can be a natural hair cleanser option, but it's important to use it cautiously and see how your hair responds. It might not be a perfect replacement for traditional shampoo for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.